Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. My name's Vicky. So we've done the 30 Things Wild. So we've had a look at a few different items from that as well. So I hope you guys have been doing them at home. And today we are going to be looking at making a bubble contraction. So it's going to be pretty cool. Okay, so what we need then is we need our pop bottle. We need some washing up liquid. We need a cloth. So whether it is a tea towel or a sock, it all works. A pair of scissors, elastic band, and a little tub of water. So what we're going to do is we're going to start off with the pop bottle. We don't need all of it. So we're going to cut it off about here. So be careful when you're using the scissors. You can then cut round. There we are, lovely. And we're through. Okay. We don't need the lid either, so that can go to one side along with the base. We're going to be putting our cloth on the bottom here. So that's going to go on there. And we're going to use our elastic band, got it here, to go round it. So it doesn't need to be tight, but as long as it just holds it, that's fine. If you're using a sock, it'll probably just go straight on, so that's no trouble at all. Got your washing up liquid, we're going to pour some of that into our water. Okay, so we're going to give that a little stir around, mix it all up. Okay, now, here comes the fun. So we are going to dip the bottom end, so where the fabric is, we're going to dip that, so we're going to put that in the water, let it soak up. And then you're going to see the magic. Ready? We are going to blow out through the top of the bottle. Did you see that? Wasn't that cool? So we get all these bits of soup. Let's wipe that off. Let's give it another go. See how good we are. So you can have hours of fun with that one. Let's do this one. So that is how you make an awesome bubble device. Okay. So I hope you've enjoyed, and you can do this in your garden. You've got all the things probably in your house. They're very, very easy to do, and kids can have fun for ages with those in the garden. Everybody loves bubbles. So I hope you've enjoyed, and I will see you guys soon for more things we can do in the garden, and activities, and we might even do something a little bit different. So I did mention that in the last video with the bug hotel, which is up. So if you haven't seen that one, have a look at the video. It's pretty cool. My DIY skills are rubbish, but I'm sure yours will be much, much better. So keep an eye out for that one, and I will see you again soon. Make sure you press like and subscribe, and you'll see all the videos up to date. Okay, thank you. Ta-da now. Bye-bye.